Move.
What do you mean move? You told me to get in the thing.
So today, what we're doing is having dinner. And we're cooking.
We're gonna cook Thai chicken shit.
We're eating Thai chicken shit. Everyone.
No, Thai chicken.
Coconut curry.
Coconut curry, yes. Thank you, Jules. We're gonna cook Thai chicken coconut curry.
Today's giveaway is a legit set. It's from Urban Outfitters. It's a fragrance.
Different perfumes.
Yeah, it's all different perfumes, and they're all travel friendly. Well,
And
not
it
that
also
anyone's
says
traveling anytime soon.
It's vegan and cruelty free. It says it on the back.
Yeah, it's vegan and cruelty free.
Look at how cute it is too.
It says live and travel colorfully with a set of mini purse sprays from Gourmand. Wear alone for a new scent each day of the week or layer together, whatever. Okay, they're perfumes, so all you have to do is subscribe and then write a comment below that you've subscribed.
We'll put our handles at the end.
And hopefully say something else that's like nice, you know,
just
but
be
like
nice.
you don't have to write a novel. It's just like, hey,
Yeah,
you
we're
guys
not
are
gonna
cute
read a
and
novel,
like so fun and like so entertaining and like
like
take
this is the best video you've ever watched.
Yeah.
And
Any support is good support.
yeah.
like I've
Positive
unfollowed every
support.
other YouTuber out there and like I'm only following you guys now.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, cool. So we're gonna prep. We have potatoes. Ew, dude, Corona.
Yo!
That's rule number
Okay,
one. Don't
let's
sneeze
keep
on other
going.
people.
I'm washing my hands for a happy birthday and a half, okay?
Okay. So we're gonna go through all the ingredients, and Alex is gonna show you.
So we're gonna start with the chicken. Is obviously our main ingredient. We got potatoes, carrots, red pepper, yellow pepper that we got to use up, lime, ginger, onion, and garlic. And then the main flavor profiles are your red curry paste and your coconut milk. Not to be confused with creme de cocoa, which is for desserts and mixed
They're
drinks.
different. I didn't know that.
They are different.
Okay.
I made that mistake last time.
Cool.
As a side, we're gonna make quinoa with vegetable broth, not water, because it's a bit more flavorful.
Okay. Gotcha. So this is everything that we're using.
The prep time, it depends on how fast you are at all this stuff. Also, I'm making more because we're more people.
Right.
So you really don't need this many vegetables for the actual recipe, but probably about 20 minutes prep time and a minimum of 40 minutes cook time.
Yikes.
So you're looking at
Do this
about
while
an
you're
hour.
quarantined, people.
Yeah, no, it's
Just
honestly,
go on Bumble or Hinge, get yourself a partner,
yeah, or
and
throw
make
some
them do
laundry
this.
in once it's in the oven. It's really simple. It doesn't
Crack
take too
myself
long. So just, you know, it doesn't take too long. 40 minutes, an hour tops, and you have a delicious meal. 40. Okay,
See how long this
so
actually takes.
do you want to get out of my way so I can
Yeah.
actually produce? To peel. Who wants to peel carrots?
Peel. We have to peel them, not chop.
Peel and chop.
Okay, so they're gonna be like little tiny.
Yeah, we're gonna
Baby
make
pieces.
we're gonna make chunks.
For babies.
Yes.
Everyone.
So if
I'm
you
ready.
want,
This is real life.
we're not using the peels.
Jules today, I go, Jules, she wanted to
I don't
wash
even know
the
what you're gonna
dishes.
say.
This
so
is-
I said, Jules, use the gloves.
Not
She
everyone
said-
uses gloves.
She
to
goes,
wash
I don't
dishes.
really want to use the gloves. I'm like, just use the gloves, please, if you're gonna do the dishes.
Saves
so she
your
uses
hands.
it, right? Then she takes her hands out. She goes, my hands are dry.
I didn't think that they were gonna be
What?
totally dry.
Where's this camera?
I'm so
Oh, there it is.
confused about the carrots, actually.
Oh, because I'm looking at the
Babe,
screen.
you're just
Don't
peeling
look at the
it.
screen.
Oh, just so you don't have-
Skin.
Yeah, we don't
Yes.
want the skin on the peel on the
Got it.
carrot.
Good.
We are going to sear the chicken. This is step number 1.
Okay.
All right. So you want to
Oh,
season
okay.
that a bit. I have canola oil in here, not a lot, just to cover the bottom of the pan, and I'm gonna season the chicken just from the top. I like to go pepper first because nobody needs extra salt. So, and then I just go some salt. Once this is gonna get hot, we're gonna go into there with the chicken, so give it a second. When the oil gets hot, it starts to ripple. That's always a good sign that you want to put your food in if you're trying to sear it. All right,
Okay.
so I'm gonna try my first chicken, and I don't hear any sound. You
Yeah, we
see
don't
that?
hear any sound, so it's not hot enough.
It's not hot enough. So what we're
Okay,
gonna
turn
do
up the
is we're
heat.
gonna-
Oh, you put it back?
Yeah, it's fine.
Turn up the heat.
Here.
So you want to hear that sound, a nice sound.
Yeah,
That's
that's...
sear, exactly.
Yeah, that's good sound.
Sear.
Yeah, sear.
Sear.
Poor Sears is probably not in action.
Sears is not doing so well right now.
But our sear is.
So that's
Oh, did we hear that, folks?
a little bit.
A little sizzle.
A little sizzle. And that's fine. I'm going to cut the peppers. I like to
cutting the peppers.
Yeah, I like cutting the peppers like this. And that way, if you want to come here, you'll see. Now I have a whole pepper cut, and I didn't waste anything.
Yeah.
Just
take the seeds. Does it taste good?
Very good.
Good. What the heck are you doing over there? So we got yellow and red pepper in here.
Yeah.
That we just chopped.
And we're gonna throw in onions as well.
We're gonna put the onions in.
Yep.
Carrots, garlic, all the rest.
The last part is very important. To peel ginger. You can either use a peeler or you can use a spoon. Crazy idea. But all you have to do is just scrape it. Scrape the skin. And the peel comes right off.
Mid-cooking update, how are you doing?
Doing good, I'm just like starving.
Yeah.
So like Alex, you could like, you know, speed this up.
Speed it
Yeah,
up.
I'm trying. Did you see what you're doing currently to what I'm doing?
I have not done anything.
Nick actually hasn't done one thing. But we flipped the chicken.
Yeah.
Veggies are coming along.
The veggies are
Smells
coming
really
along.
good.
It smells so good.
Yeah.
I wish that you could smell this.
Yeah.
Did you say how many, well, it's just ingredients, right? There's no like measurements
There's
and
no
anything?
real measurements.
There's
Just
no
go
measurements.
with the
Just
flow.
ingredients.
Everything
just go with
in
the flow.
cooking is from
Go
your
with
heart.
the flow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So row in. We want to separate them so they kind of turn translucent. Which turn on your oven.
Turn it on. Everyone,
What's
listen to
the grade?
Alex.
I go at 350.
Why are you staring at the food?
Alright, so-
Why don't you do something?
I love you. I love you.
Remember to
Now.
season as you go. It's very important. Not too much, but just a bit.
Not too little. You don't want it to taste bad.
Exactly. Always, pepper is always a good one also. Because, you know,
The happiest girl
that's cooking.
in the world.
You're just gonna want to finely chop the ginger. Yeah, that's perfect. And next we're going to actually zest our lemon. Highly recommend getting a microplane. You'll see there's gonna be more that comes out.
Hey, what do we have over here, Jules? What are you creating?
Onion and peppers.
The garlic, the ginger and the lime inside. And you wanna get as much in there as possible. And just kind of let it sear a touch. And then in a minute, Jules, you're just gonna mix that up, okay?
Okay.
Wonderful.
All right, so we're cutting carrots.
Yeah, I like to just do one chop, cut all the nubs off. Be careful, flip them.
I just want to say, if you're not okay with knives, do one at a time.
Yes, absolutely.
This is,
Fair point. Very, very fair
Yes.
point.
okay. Goodbye.
All right.
Thank you so much for your time.
So now we're gonna cut them individually and just come down,
I'll
make sure
keep
you're
stirring
safe.
this.
Yeah, stir that up, dude.
Well, to break up the cooking tips, I have nothing for you except that
She has absolutely nothing to share except for she's just mixing what Alex basically made. So, looks delicious though.
again, I have done absolutely nothing this entire time, and that's okay with me.
And you're gonna add that curry paste to the,
All of it?
well no, I've used this jar before, so.
Oh, so this is like half a jar now?
No, this is a third, but I'm gonna put a touch more. This is all depending on taste. You don't have to use this much, you can use as little as you want, but this is one of the main flavor drivers.
Now we are
So,
cutting potatoes
I cut them in half.
that have been peeled.
Peeled and put into water. So they
Cold
don't,
water.
cold water, very important.
All the way to the top so they're covered.
Covered in water, yes. Pour it in.
All of
Yeah,
it?
you're using
Yeah, all of it. You're gonna use the whole can.
Chicken's going in.
Into the pan. And Jules, would you like to do me the favor of getting the carrots and potatoes?
We are going to cover this.
Overcrowded
It's a little bit
pan.
crowded because we used a little bit of a
Super
smaller pan.
Smaller
but
pan and more vegetables.
we're gonna put it in the oven for how long?
At least 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
Stage, we put all the vegetables in. We have our chicken back into the pot, and we are going to cover it. We can shut off the heat, and we're gonna put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Jules, you mind opening the oven?
Yeah.
Be useful, please. Okay, well, what kind of quinoa are we using?
I don't know.
This is Trader Joe's organic tricolored quinoa.
Yeah.
And the instructions are on the back. We're gonna make it by stovetop.
Yes, stovetop.
Perfect.
Pouring some wine.
For dinner? Cheers.
Cheers. We're almost done.
Guys,
Cheers.
cheers to not making dinner, but enjoying it.
Okay, guys, final piece.
Looks and smells so good.
It smells, I wish you guys could smell this because it smells amazing.
We'll have to.
Alex basically gets all the credit.
You have to cook what?
Potatoes a bit.
Are they hard?
No, they're summer.
Really, really good. So good. Has like so much flavor. A+. You guys should make this at home while you're home.
That was
for
so
the next one.
convincing.
What do you think?
I don't know, I haven't tried it yet.
I just finished eating and it was absolutely amazing.
Yes.
I loved it.
We're going to leave a couple tips for you on what to make it if you like it more sweet or more not sweet.
Yeah, so, oh, the giveaway, right?
The giveaway,
Remind them of the
yes, is the little perfume set, which is so awesome and great to travel with or keep in your purse if you ever meet someone that is cute and deserves a nice little smell.
Okay.
I don't know.
On that
I don't know what
note,
I'm talking about.
subscribe. We love you. Goodbye.
Bye guys, we'll see you next time.